Speaking of choices, this is house number 3. This is one of my favourite house designs out of all of Australia. It's the Vantage and it's from Metricon Homes. There's your floor plan. So you can see that it's got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It is bright, it is bold, and it is beautiful, much like yourself.
Thank you.
Are you ready?
Thank you. We are ready.
We're ready.
Let's go.
Wow.
Wine cellar.
Yeah,
It's
wow.
amazing.
I'm going to lock myself in there
That
while
is
you guys
amazing.
are touring
Oh,
around.
look at this.
It's incredible.
And then,
Oh, this is beautiful.
welcome to the Vantage.
Wow.
That is amazing.
Look at the void. It's modern, it's contemporary. It's got a beautiful beach vibe to it, which is perfect
Which is great
for us.
Brighton.
This is
This
the right feel.
I'd like to look in that cellar.
In the wine cellar. I mean, I thought you'd never ask. Come on, let's go and check out the wine cellar.
Oh, wow.
Vibes. Go in.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, if the door did break, for example, and the handle came off when you were inside, I mean, you'd make do.
I would be happy.
You'd make do for a couple of hours, yeah. I mean, all of these houses are very different. It is like comparing apples and pears.
Yes.
Talk about the kitchen. Does this work for you?
Absolutely. We've got the big wide entertainer's bench that we were talking about.
Yeah.
No sink in the centre, which
No
is great.
sink in the middle, yeah.
Plenty of
Interesting
space.
curve.
I mean, can we have a moment? Can we have a minute? Just to look up here. What do you think?
It's mind-blowing.
Impressive.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
Is it
gorgeous.
too much? Is it too grandiose for you guys and your plans?
I don't think so. It's in a smaller zone, the void. It's not the whole house. And you feel so intimate in the other areas that this is very playful and theatrical in the house, and it adds a little something.
Let's go straight upstairs because this main bedroom is going to blow your mind.
Can't wait.
Let's go upstairs.
Wow.
Ooh, this is nice.
Yes.
I love the wardrobes
Yeah.
behind. I love, once again, the use of textures and the shapes.
Yeah.
I think it's nice to have that nod to mid-late century.
It's incredible. I love the style of this room, the size. I mean, obviously there's going to be a big ensuite in here,
Yeah.
and that storage is amazing. I just love the look of it.
Oh, Nathan, look at this.
It's unbelievable.
Beautiful double-headed shower.
Yeah. And the bath.
Look,
does that.
we're never getting you out of that. This is Nathan's new home.
All right. These go all the way back. Look at the house looking back that way. It is beautiful.
Stunning.
That's
I just
unreal.
love all the lighting as well.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
The lighting's really key, isn't it?
Like,
We need a fire pit in our
I
life.
think we need a fire pit.
This is incredible.
Yeah.
And such
a
a
good
beautiful
area.
place, sitting out here having a wine or scotch or whatever with all your friends.
Is this house too much? Because you've only got one child and there's 2 of you, and you think about if you went to this stage in your life, is this house going to be too much to clean, too much to heat, too much to cool, or are you in your show-off house era?
All valid points, but I think we entertain and we have people stay with us all the time, and we love that. That's because we're a smaller family. We engage our friends as part of our greater family.
Yeah.
And so a home that we can fill with everyone in, and that opportunity to be able to do more of, that's more us.
I like your style. It's a great answer, and I would be very much like you as well. A bit like, yeah, there's just 2 of us, but we'll have this one. What if you would like to see some of the floor plan options for this house? It is the Vantage, it is from Metricon. And like I said, it is one of my favourite house designs because of the void and the kitchen and the space, the storage. Jump onto their website. It is all at metricon.com.au. After break, guys, house number 4.